everything in this world is created twice. First in the mind, and then it manifests into reality. So for example, the very building in which you are sitting was created twice. First in the mind of the architect, and then it manifested into reality. The same about the business. The same about everything that you're going to do with respect to your business. Everything will have to be created twice. First in the mind, and then it will manifest into reality. I want you to repeat these two in your mind while you're doing your work. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने आधा घंटा 1 घंटा काम किया, फिर एक 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लिया अपने माइंड को थोड़ा रीबूट करने के लिए, रिफ्रेश करने के लिए, खड़े हो गए चेयर से, एक गाना गाया, सीटी मारी, और ये 2 प्रिंसिपल रिकॉल करो. आपके मोबाइल पे ले लो, 2 प्रिंसिपल रिकॉल करो. ऐसे करते करते अपने माइंड को ये प्रिंसिपल्स नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज में 1000 टाइम्स बताओ. रात को सोते वक्त भी बताओ, सुबह उठते वक्त भी बताओ. What you will be doing if you do that is you will be using the power of an old ancient Indian culture का principle called jap, which today's modern psychologists call principle of auto-suggestion, principle of positive affirmations. Whatever you tell whatever you want to soak your subconscious mind with, because subconscious mind is more powerful, 10 times more powerful. If you have 2 cars and if you have entered a race and Bombay Pune Express Highway pe, so I'm exceeding my time, but I want to complete this thought. Bombay Pune Express Highway पे 2 cars हैं, दोनों रेस में उतर रही हैं, एंड टॉस होता है और जो जीतेगा उसको कार सिलेक्ट करनी है. एक कार है फेरारी, दूसरी कार है मारुति ऑल्टो. विच वन वुड यू चूज? टॉस अगर आपने जीता तो कौन सी चूज करोगे?
फेरारी ऑफ कोर्स.
फेरारी ऑफ कोर्स. यू हैव 2 माइंड्स, वन इज कॉन्शियस, which has only 10% power of the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind is 10 times, means 1000% more powerful than the conscious mind. तो certain values और principles subconscious को दे देना चाहिए. It will generate the conscious thought.
Okay.
It will generate the actions. It will automatically drive you to actions. More powerful actions are generated out of subconscious mind. When you soak your subconscious mind so much with that thought, कि now the conscious mind will start realizing, because the big boss is driving it. Conscious mind को drive कौन कर रहा है? The big boss. Who is the big boss? The subconscious. तो subconscious में आपने ये principle डाल दिया, certain belief systems डाल दिया, subconscious, unshakable. That will create your thought, which you know as your conscious mind का thought. And thought will result into actions, and actions से आपका life manifest होगा, आपका reality manifest होगा. Any doubt about this sequence?
No. I've got it. So we have to do a job for the subconscious to get into it.
That is why jap.
So that he can.
Subconscious को 1000 times, 10,000 times आपने एक लाइन का जाप दे दिया. I believe in anekantvad rather than ekantvad. I respect other person's view. I analyze it. Thereafter, I may buy that view. I may not buy that view, but I still respect that view. I have no आपत्ति. ये झाप आपने सबकॉन्शियस को दे दिया. आप इमेजिन करो 1 साल के बाद आपका नेचुरल हैबिट क्या हो जाएगा? Whenever in debate,
we'll start listening to everyone and start understanding everyone's point of view.
correct.
And then you'll come to a conclusion taking everyone's point of view.
Will that benefit you?
Yeah.
Will that help you evolve more? Will that help you create more wisdom?
Yes. Because
Money, big money, is not made out of just intellect.
exactly.
Big money is 10 or 20% intellect, 80 or 90%, 90 or 80% wisdom.
Exactly.
Mukesh Ambani had that wisdom. Anil Ambani did not. Sachin Tendulkar had that wisdom. Vinod Kamli did not. इंटेलेक्ट या स्किल तो दोनों में इक्वल था. सचिन तेंदुलकर, विनोद कामली, ब्ला ब्ला. विजडम.
Exactly.
वेल्थ जनरेट करना है तो क्या जनरेट करना होगा? न सिर्फ नॉलेज, न सिर्फ इंटेलेक्ट, बट इवन मोर विजडम. What would be the wise thing to do for this company? That comes out of wisdom. Should I go on this path or this path? It's a crossroad, man. I don't know. Wisdom.